Hello everyone. This video I have to prepare because of I'm receiving many complaints, many problems, many doubts from the student sides and the teacher side regarding the PISA. Okay. So the first and foremost thing that everybody must keep in mind that this website is catering to more than 1 million users. Okay. So that is why sometimes it is slow, no doubt about it. Right. So now one by one we will sort out all the problems. Okay. First problem, that is students are saying that they are not able to change the password. Okay. And it is showing invalid username and password. If this is the case, then they should get in touch with the class teacher. Okay. And what the class teacher need to do is one Excel file was sent to each and every class teacher. So one example I am showing. Suppose this is the Excel file. What is need to be done is that this student ID, this column should be expanded a little so that whatever the number is there, it is fully visible. Okay, right? So what you can see, number should be same as you see here. This ID you have to use. This ID and the same is the password. There is no change in it. Okay, that is the first thing, right? Now, there are instances that one student by mistake has used the ID of other student. Okay, everybody should see it that the moment you open, okay, at that time it will show the name of the student. Okay, now I will show you. This is the login ID of one student. This happens, site cannot be reached, this errors will come. Okay, so don't worry about these errors, just refresh the page. Now you see I have refreshed the page, the full page has come. Okay, all these things are there, right? This student's ID I have already changed, it was shown in the previous video. Right now you can see the name is appearing on the top. This name you should check whether it is your name or some other's name. If it is some other's name, immediately you inform your class teacher that by mistake I have opened the ID of so and so. Right, this is one. Second, in the previous video I had shown that after clicking on CCT test, when we are entering the marks, our options. So after we have entered the option, there were two buttons. One was save and submit, and other was lock option was there. But now they have changed a little. Okay, and what they have done, save is will come once. Once you have saved, then you can go to lock test. So separate menu they have provided for lock test. The same process you will do. You will click on lock test. Then it will wait for some seconds or some minutes. You should see the processing is going on here. Okay, if the process stops, then you need to refresh. Okay, that you should see continuously, right? So for locking you have to go here. Okay, now you can see. Now I am selecting the year, then which CCT I want. Then after I have to wait for a while, then this CCT will come which CCT you want to appear for. Okay, so this is one thing, the problem of invalid ID. Okay, you should check thoroughly with your class teacher what is your correct ID, right? So just one or 2 minutes more, I will give the solution of this problem. Then another problem also I will give the solution. Even if after getting the correct ID, you are not able to open, then you need to call your class teacher. Okay, now you can see this page is open. Now we can go down to the end of the page. Now here is only one option, that is save and submit. Okay, for locking we have to go separately to this menu. Same process we have to follow, and we can lock. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Now the second problem which all the some students are facing, even though their ID is correct, okay, but they are not able to log in. It says invalid ID and password. See, what happens is, if you have tried to change the password once, it will accept the password. So next time when you are logging in, please try to log in with the changed password. Okay, otherwise you simply call your class teacher and inform. Okay, when you are informing your class teacher, two things you have to inform. What are those two things? First is what ID you are using. Okay, what ID you are using, and if you have changed the password, then what is the password? Okay, then the teacher will try to open it. If the teacher can open it successfully, then no problem. Otherwise, what the teachers are supposed to do, they are supposed to go to the this again, they have to go to the website, and every teacher, every class teacher from 7th to and above, they are having the password. Okay, the teacher's password. If any teacher is not having the teacher's password, they can get in touch with me, right? Now what the teachers have to do, if the student is not able to log in, then they have to click on reset student password. Okay, here you can find your student, and you check whether your student who is complaining that he is not able to log in, whether he is using the correct ID password or not, correct ID or not, sorry. Okay, even if now suppose you feel that the student is using the correct ID, but he is not able to log in, simply you reset the password. If you reset the password, what will happen? The student has to log in again with the same ID and same password. Okay, the initial ID, right? So initially the student ID is the password. Okay, once the teacher will reset, it will be resetted to the same one. So even if somebody has forgotten the password or whatever it is, teachers can easily, they can open this page, they can search for the particular student, and they can reset the password very comfortably. Uh, So I hope I am clearing most of the doubts. Still any doubts are there, then the teachers can get in touch with me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope after watching this video, the teachers and students can coordinate with each other and complete the test before 16th of this month. Thank you very much.